In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit videos in CapCut from download to export. Whether you're on a phone or a computer, the workflow is very similar, and I'll walk you through the essentials so you can get clean, polished results. First, get CapCut. On mobile, download it from the App Store or Google Play. On desktop, grab CapCut for Windows or Mac OS from the official website. The interfaces are nearly the same, but the desktop version gives you finer control and more precision, which can help with detailed edits. Open CapCut and create a new project. Tap or click New Project, select the media you want to use, videos, photos, and any audio, and press Add. Your selected clips will appear in the timeline at the bottom, where you'll do most of your editing. Let's cover core editing skills. To trim a clip, drag its edges inward to remove unwanted beginnings or endings. To split a clip, select it, move the playhead to the exact moment you want, then tap the split icon with the scissors. Splitting is great for cutting out sections in the middle or inserting other clips. You can rearrange your story by dragging clips left or right on the timeline. If you don't need something, select it and delete it. Zooming into the timeline can make precise trims and splits easier. To add text, tap text and choose Add Text. Type your caption or title, then customize the font, color, and size. You can add in, out, or loop animations to make it feel dynamic. If you want a polished look fast, try text templates and just update the wording. Keep readability in mind by choosing colors with good contrast against your footage. For audio, tap Audio. You can browse the CapCut Sounds library, extract audio from an existing video, or upload your own music. Adjust volume levels so dialogue is clear, and add fade in and fade out for smooth transitions between sections. To add transitions, tap the small box between two clips, pick a transition style, and adjust the duration. Use them sparingly. Clean cuts often look more professional. For visual style, open effects and choose video effects or body effects, then drag the effect to the timeline and set how long it lasts. Filters can be applied to a single clip or to the whole video, and you can adjust intensity to keep things consistent. For speed changes, select a clip and tap speed. Use normal for constant slow or fast motion, or curve for smooth ramps that feel cinematic. When you're done, tap export. Choose your resolution like 1080p or 4K, set your frame rate such as 30 FPS, then export and save or share your video. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more CapCut tips and tutorials.